back everyone. So today I'm going to be making donuts. Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to be making a unique variety of donuts. So let's get started, I guess. So first you're going to take 1.5 cups of milk. It's warm milk. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of granulated white sugar. Now I'm going to add a packet of yeast. I'm going to add a packet of yeast. I'm going to mix this mixture to activate the yeast. Now I'm going to take some unsalted butter. I'm going to add this big chunk of unsalted butter. It's softened and it's like one stick almost. Now I'm going to add 3 eggs. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to beat this. It's still recording, yeah. Now I'm going to add in the active yeast mixture inside the mixture we just made, like the butter mixture. Now I'm going to whisk it. I'm going to add in 5 cups of flour gradually. It's getting tougher and tougher, and that's the fun part because then you form a dough and you have to knead it. Now I'm going to knead this into a dough. Now we are going to add 1 more cup of flour. If you think it is sticky. My dough is a little sticky, so I'm going to add the 1 cup. I've successfully kneaded the dough, and now I'm going to take some oil, some vegetable oil, and I'm going to grease the dough. Cover the dough with oil and then let it rest and let it rise for 1 hour. Don't forget to cover the dough with saline wrap. You can cover it with some cloth or something. For the top frosting, I'm going to cover the donuts with. I'm going to take some chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate chips. I'm going to add all of them. And I'm going to melt them in the microwave. The chocolate chips have melted, and now I'm going to add some milk. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to add some custard powder, vanilla custard powder in this. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of custard powder. I'm going to mix this. This is the filling, it's not the frosting. For the frosting, I'm going to tell you another recipe. As you can see, it has smooth paste consistency. So I'm going to make a chocolate custard filling. In a saucepan, I've added half liter of milk and I've opened the stove and I'm going to let it boil. You need to keep mixing the milk on medium heat and you don't have to stop mixing. Milk has started forming some bubbles on top, as you can see, and I'm going to gradually add the chocolate, a smooth mixture we made before. I'm going to keep adding. And I'm going to mix this. You need to keep stirring till it forms a smooth custard mixture. So keep stirring. Now I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to mix it. It's almost close to a custard. I'm also going to add in some butter, this much. And yeah, I'm going to melt it and mix it. So guys, I'm going to take a tray and I'm going to sprinkle some flour. I'm going to take the dough and punch it. I'm going to take a rolling pin and now spread it out evenly. Now I'm going to take a bottle's cap and press it out. You can use anything to cut them out. I'm making small donuts, not that big. Now I'm going to make the remaining donuts and then I'm going to teach you how to fry them. I'm going to make holes like this. The donuts and I'm going to cook them on low flame till golden brown. I'm going to melt some white and dark chocolates now. Chocolate chips. So I'm going to take a donut and I'm going to take a skewer and I'm going to make some space for the filling. And take a piping bag. Pipe bag. Continue doing all this. I'm going to take this and cover the top of the donut. And now I'm going to add some sprinkles. And this is how you will continue making all the donuts. So the donuts are ready and I'm going to taste the donut. So guys, I'm going to show you one of the donuts, what it looks like from inside. I've not put the custard or any topping or something. So it's super spongy. Yeah. You can eat it plain. You can add some toppings. Sorry, toppings. The sprinkles and all. And yeah. It's super delicious, super chocolatey, super. It's just so soft and I love it. You can see the custard. Super nice. It's a delight to eat it after all the hard work you do. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment down below for my hard work. Because I really did do a lot of hard work.